This look good. No patites. Big up the people in my downtown Kingston out of clock. Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. And thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris, and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Yes, so right now, on the way I got Kingston. As I tell you, so I go visit the Devon House and all them things that we're on the toll road right now. I go and run it, me and Tyrone there.
Check in. Give me some focus.
Well on it. So yeah, man.
Give me some focus. Me and Jeremy are sharp on the road. You see me? Over there, man, I'm going to see the same way. You see the Devon House?
Yeah, man. We keep on updated as to what I go on while we reach that Kingston, you know? But yeah, they're on the toll now, o'clock in. Yeah, man, we're there in the Kingston side. That's what I say. I'm going to try to go at Devon House pretty soon and get the party them, but I'm going to a little glimpse of Kingston. Dog, I really slice, so man, then I'm nigga right there, so. So when you come and stop like, you might get a sale.
Could have juice, they're dancing. I'm like a coconut.
Open a stain, man.
Special one.
That's it. Like that.
Ah, shit. Ah, shit.
Blocky. More like a height. I glasses, you know. Blocky. Do not broke. Chip up to block. Where the hell am I? You tell me, man. Yeah. You made it with Salah, you know, oh. You touch it too? How much you get it? Two of them. You know, you think so much Salah.
If you catch your limb,
You get it?
two of them.
Two of them, boy. Want to pick rough?
Easy catch, man.
But
Leave the right there.
you should have picked two of them.
You should let it go. Branch manager come and say, oh, give you authorization to pick out mangoes.
It's a leak,
Tell them say you're a client.
See them there? Two fat mango. Huh? Alright, see it there now.
It's a taxi, man. I'm going to put him.
So yeah, man, I ain't up in a place now. Come through here, man. That is it, you know. Yeah, I look some patty. I flip the camera and show, no? Yeah, them have a lot of things. Me say them even have a tour over here, no? Okay. So yeah, they have quite a few things over here. This time I come and for the bakery. Come on and try out them curry goat patty. Don't mind me, place kinda dark, you know. Ooh. Huh? This one a hot, man. Alright, show you how I go on. Okay. Yeah, so I have to go wait about 35 minutes for the goat patty, because that I want to try. Alright, so barbecue at 750, curry goat patty at 890, shrimp patty at 1,000, lobster patty at 2,002. Okay. So you see patty prices them there. Baker go on with things. No lie, food pretty. Yeah. So I order the beef and the goat. 2 goat, 1 beef, and that is 2,309 Jamaican dollars. That is around 20 Canadian, but for patty price, that's kind of high for patty what we used to, you know what I say? So this is a goat patty. Camera catch my face. So square patty, right? Nice crust. I like the crust pan, I have to eat it fresh. This is the goat, you know what? Let me not try the goat yet. I don't want my palate. I want to try the beef first. So, me a yard when me? You no go on your yard, man. Lord, clean. Clean for real, man. Alright, see beef, huh? Nice golden look. Yeah. The reason I broke it because my brother got try. Alright, first glance, look white. I compare juicy beef, they look white. Like you don't know, you have that nice brown, funny brown in the bone. Could taste how go. Crust just good. Mm-hmm. Beef tastes good, but too white. Beef not, yeah. Try it out. Can't tap, man. Yeah, not taste bad. Try it. Broke a good amount, broke half a fight, brother. Crust bad. See beef filling there? For me, the beef filling is a little bit too white, if that makes sense.
Spicy.
Mm-hmm.
So I put just beef one that's spicy after.
Yeah, you don't feel that you did. I'm telling you what I go on. Fresh out the oven too. Alright. Try the crust with the beef by itself. You have flavor, but no, it can't touch juicy patty. I tell you that right now. Boom, boom. Hey, fly. Am I here, Nami? You know, you have flavor in it, but me feel say, honestly, me make my homemade patty would I give this a beat.
You should juicy better.
My patty for my channel beat this by far, man, I tell you.
Crush.
And it's too white. The meat, me not like. You see me eat with my eye now. Make me want scan in and sense because beef so white. You see me? That come like you cook chicken and the skin look white. So the beef kind of looking at this, but the flavor is not bad.
Flavor there.
Mm-hmm.
Crush nice. I think crush better than juicy beef crush.
Mm-hmm. Honestly, you know the dough give me? Alright, I'm gonna buy the dough, man. I'll show you something. I'm gonna buy the dough. It kind of give me like a Danish pastry. Like croissant. Like the dough kind of give you like a croissant look. Whereas for juicy beef have more flaky layers. Juicy beef would have beat this by far, man. I tell you. But it crust not bad. But I just more about a beef patty again. I don't like the things ratings per se. But honestly, it can eat. My beef patty is better than this. I'm not gonna lie to you. If you try my recipe, just comment and let me know. The goat should have a vibe. Let me see what I got with the goat. Just see the goat I know. You see me? This is the goat. Alright, Tyron, come in. Take up one of them, my friend. No, so you no curry up in it. Alright. This look good. You see that? It's pretty. This pretty. You see that? Curry look well seasoned, you know? Lord, please. You see that? You get all that big meat then. Try it. Hold on there. Try it. This pretty. See it there?
Well, curry down.
Yeah, man. The curry, yeah. Bad.
Just steady and select all the beef just steady and masking
Oh, yeah. This will show the scale on everybody. Alright. That's why I never want to try the curry first, you know. I want to try the beef. And then they have a big chunk of meat tonight. This patty, $800. Crust look good.
Wood,
Yeah, man.
what could I use? You could more spice, but these are fish that make it too spicy.
That everybody. Mm,
Make sure it's not you.
yeah. The taste the curry goat by itself. The curry tender. You sure?
More spicy.
Well seasoned. Definitely well seasoned. But as a tyrant said, could I use a bit more spice? It's by itself, it's so white rice, bad.
Curry goat, yeah.
And guess what, tender, but you have a little chew to it.
So better.
It's better than the beef by far. It's better. I have everything in it. It's skeleton. You see that?
People that come out of frozen beef and just pick up on.
With the crust on this, mad. It's bad. This, but then can't dash the beef, I swear.
I think the spice more meaty. I think it.
It's like it's subtle, eh?
Come on, sure.
Come on.
Bad.
I know goat meat now man is more expensive, right? So
Yeah, man, smell it good. Some kind of go in ring.
let me say, it's a curry, yeah? Well seasoned, brother. It's a curry, yeah, bad. If you told the meat tonight tastes good, I not focus on the crust that much. And what I love about it, you know, empty.
Full.
A 9 it's as double the price for a regular patty, triple the price for a regular patty, but it's full of goat meat, and goat meat is expensive. So, and you have big chunks and then crush out and be mushy. I get they have actual pieces of goat there. The beef need a little bit more color. You need some spices. Yeah. You say curry goat well seasoned, do the beef, son. You can't lose. Yeah, lose. Alright, so I'm gonna try out tasty patty after this, you see me? Alright, so just pull up a juicy patties. You know, mothers get a patty. I'm gonna test out them soon. I get a beef patty right also, and then we're done it tour. I'm gonna try out the next three and make you know what I want. You see? Alright, so I tell you the price on the Devanos patty. This is the tasty patty. I think I'm gonna eat it right away. Hold on. So tasty's patty is 280. Like, I didn't get cheese patty. So I'm tell you how much for the mothers. The mother's patty is for 252. Much for the juicy patty. Juicy patty is for 296. I have my water, aka palate cleanser. Yeah, this is a juicy patty. Everything fresh. Make sure I tell them say, yo, make sure see them just a come out of oven, you know. See patty look good. Yeah, man. Brother, no patty test. I tell you. Kind of empty a little bit. That one, yeah? But it's fresh. Fresh. I could be biased because I'm used. That one empty, man. That one empty though, man. Today, how I go on a juicy patty today? You hollow. Yeah, come here. Look at that. You see that? So, a little bit darker, man. And this is a juicy, yeah. That's a name, juicy patty. More seasoning. Yeah, it's a juicy patty. You know a juicy patty, bad overall. Voilà. We still there at town, then I can't eat. Just to be fair to them. I wash out my mouth, isn't it? Alright. My price for this is $2.42, so that's the least. Mother's hour. Mother's is $2.52, so Mother's more expensive. So Tasty are the cheapest of them all. Nice crust. Kind of looks slightly oil, like a lot of butter in some place. Look a little bit oil soap, but the crust overall nice and pretty. But I can say though, the crust up at Devon was pretty for real. But I don't know how it tastes. Alright, Mother's patty will say it tastes. Crust for the Mother's patty, it's more crumbly. You know, as flaky.
It tastes like one of our balls.
It's coming like, you know, it crust pan this so that tastes like the crust. Remember me that show one thing, it's a pot pie. The crust should have come like the it's like a flaky crust and a short crust in a sense. Like when you bite it, the flakes them not go as long. It feel like crumbly, like yeah. And the patty a little bit salty, what? The beef white too, man. A white beef patty they make up here. Yeah, I don't like how beef. Probably I'm skeptical because I'm not juicy patty, but how that look? It look dry. Moist a bit, but a little bit dry. Come like foreign patty. Let me taste it. Not a bad crust, you know. When you bite it, like you have little flakes within the big flakes, which is not bad. That's about time between. A little bit spicy. But you have a weird taste though, man. I don't know if you explain that taste. Yeah. And it's very greasy. The crust for Mother's patty, it's very greasy, as I can tell you. See it there? You see that look? That look a dark section there. Look. This extra dark section. That's all oil. You see how right the sun looks so? That's all butter. And this yeah. Alright. So far, honestly, feel like Devon was better than I want. Yeah man, Devon was one. Come like it a deal with Mother's away. Alright, wash up my mouth and try to taste this. The Mother's me find it crust too. Nah, be it no bad now. It tastes good, you know. That tastes better than a foreign patty, but probably I want to get, but that crust is full of oil or butter. My opinion, probably people like them. Alright. So I go off a crust again. Taste this crust. Come like you want run against the juicy patty. Look like a juicy patty, you're afraid.
You should eat our Mother's.
Want to try? See, taste this crust, yeah? Crust is so similar to that of juicy patty. I understand why juicy stamped for them. You have areas just so you have good amount of butter, but not as much as Mother's. You know what? You know when I learn them patty here? You need to flip them up. Because the beef come like it gone the next side. Again. Beef white, you're afraid. Yeah, this for the moist scale, juicy beef first, real juicy. Then mother say, tasties. And then mother go Devanos, then Mother's in terms of the juiciness. Tasty beef by itself, it tastes. Tastes give me Maggie seasoning vibes. I like Maggie seasoning because I look like everybody I here cook with Maggie. That give me like a Maggie taste, soapy taste, like, you know, like a stew beef. Like a stew beef but with Maggi seasoning. You know what? I feel like the whiteness of the Devanos patty kind of show me off. But when I look back for the rest of patty them now, one of them white. But yeah, I give to juicy patty. Big man thing. And then more that I go. But if me forget overall the best patty I have today, but I say a curry goat patty still. But in terms of the beef, my curry goat patty I can't bring in another category I'm afraid because of beef me review. So the beef patty, I give it to juicy beef. Then I go give it to tasties. The reason why I not go give it to Devon House because first sight with the whiteness of the beef, it kind of turned me off. But the beef still have a better flavor than Mother's. So yeah, that's how it. But the crust now, Mother said Devon House crust come second, you know. Because nothing to me like juicy patty crust, I tell you. And then that one come third. Yeah, that crust kind of come third. And then the next crust fourth. But overall, a juicy patty same way for me. If you choose and say I go buy one patty, it have to be juicy beef. If I go buy one patty that's not beef, you have to be Devon House, if that makes sense. So batch there for 9%, Tyron one gone yard, me one gone me yard. What time is it now? I rotted this whole time I wear watch upside down. Yeah, see me, what time this I say now? This I say 6:35? Yeah, that's 6:35 now? 5:35. Yeah, that's 6 or 5. I should watch it upside down, you know. My phone dead, you. What I can say?
5:26.
So 5:30 now, we're there for more after 12. Yeah, Devon House was a good vibe. Goat patty, mad, well seasoned. But I beat that with some white rice by itself too. That's how good that goat was. Well seasoned, the curry pretty. Like how they have the skelly and them chunks in the patty. The spice not hit you right away. Kind of creep up on you. You taste the spiciness and the seasons, well seasoned. The goat patty there, mad. So yeah, with that said, we are gonna log off. Leave your comments down below. And this is not to bash any party company here, because we love them all, but we just have a favorite. And sometimes your favorite can be that which you're used to. You know what I say? And it's juicy beef. That's what I grew up on. And I still stick to it after I try out all of these ones. But may I tell you, all of them party at Jamaica beat a foreign party any day, especially when they're fresh. So when you come to Jamaica, man, no matter which party you stop and get, just get a party because you don't know the thing. I just said. And if you cannot reach in Jamaica, we try no party in Jamaica. Check out the cooking channel, Mars Style Cooking, and try my party recipe. You get where I'm forward from? It bad. You see me? It bad. For my party crust would similar to Devon House. The crust would similar to Devon House. You see me? And the flavor of my patty would similar to a Tasties. I'm not going to put it at a juicy beef level because there's still some more tweaking to be done to my patty recipe, but the juicy beef is superior to them all. As I say, but if you want a nice patty reminder of Jamaica from home, try out my patty recipe. Very nice. You smell forward from? Yeah. Big up on yourself. Enough love for love. Thank you for sticking around. We come to Kingston and I'm going to do that video especially for now. And then leave a comment. What is your favorite patty? Do you agree with me? Have you ever tried the goat patty at Devon House? I see a lobster patty. Don't see a lobster patty, brother? $2,200 for the lobster patty, yeah. The shrimp patty have $1,000. But when I see the lobster patty, I say, yo, I understand still because probably 2 lobster tail put in one patty because one thing with Devon House, they stuff them patty, you know how they fit them with so much stuffing. Overall, in terms of quantity, I give it to Devon House because a while ago I buy the Russian patty. A juicy patty I buy it a while ago. And it just feel hollow. Come like one of them I buy a little patty shop in Canada where now have no filling. But when I try Kingston, I come on Kingston, the people, it's too shop here. So they don't full up a patty. But when they are Manchester, patty full up a juicy. You see me? So juicy beef for Kingston, I don't know if you put more filling in the patty. You see where I'm apart from? Yeah, man. I don't know if the Kingston people them too bougie and they don't want only for meat, but full up a thing. With that said, enough love for love. Thank you for joining with us. Battery I got dead. I go drive in, so safe travel on the gravel for we and safe travel on the gravel for you. See, until next time, go and pick up on yourself. You see me? Like, comment, share, and make sure you subscribe if you love the vibe.